Kong ding ko na ha hu pra, bang ding ba na ha hu pra. You know what? Why I'm singing this song? Why I love this song so much? I'm not a khasi. I'm not a Dakar. I'm from different country. I belong to Tibet, which is a neighbor of China country. Is a neighbor of China country. I belong to different country, but still, why I love this song? Because the meaning of this song I really love. Why? It gave me a deep thought. The meaning of this song. My friend, there's my friend which I met in Shillong in Meghalaya. He teach me the meaning of this song. Hau pra. What is the meaning of hau pra? He always sing. I asked to him. So he tell me, you know what's the meaning of hau pra? When you clean a rice, you just take out the stone, you take out the grass, everything dust from the rice, and you wash it in water, then you can eat. If you don't clean rice, you cannot eat, because stone will come inside the teeth. It will give us pain. If you eat a grass, it will stuck in our throat. It will like give a pain. So it will be difficult to eat a rice without cleaning. So hau pra means like clean rice. It's a clean rice. So VPP, voice of people, like it's like that. There's a party. So that party is saying a clean rice. Just like if you clean a rice, we can eat. So it's just like that. Just clean the corruption from Meghalaya. It's like that. That's why I really love this, the meaning of this song. Kong ding ko na ha hu pra, bang ding ba na ha hu pra.
Kong ding kong na ha u pra, ba ding ba na ha u pra, may na pa na ha u pra, lama ngin ra ha u pra, mai sha nei ha u pra, ro nga ro pei ha u pra, ngin stang mai ha u pra, bin tim kari ha u pra. Kariti benya laka tenrai kinong yalam yala kari la di ban pen themai tang shu bakla menta kajai ben rola yam poi ye shis ngai un le snop ha yite hapyak cha kham Kong deng kong na ha u pra, ba deng ba na ha u pra, may na pa na ha u pra, lama ngin ra ha u pra, mai sha nei ha u pra, ro nga ro pei ha u pra, ngin stang mai ha u pra, bin im kari ha u pra.